Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the AI Girl channel. My name's Alicia Waldner, and I am your AI Girl. Today, I'm so excited to share with you these two platforms that do the same thing, but in my opinion, one does it way better than the other as of now. These are for people that are looking to make their longer videos into shorts. Trust me, it is so frustrating trying to stay up on all the things that we need to do in the social land of things, from Instagram, from taking pictures to now having videos. There was IGTV, and then TikTok came out, and then YouTube Shorts is now a thing. So these two platforms allow us to be able to make those shorts, stay on top of these trends in a very quick, easy fashion. Again, some of these are not perfect. However, this is exciting for all of us because guess what? It's only going to get better. For those here that watch my YouTube hauls, you know that I just started doing the whole short thing, and that is because of these tools that I'm going to share with you today. So I'm so excited to dive in. In addition to, if you are interested in hearing about AI and you like what you hear today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to see my weekly videos discussing AI. Now let's dive into it. Okay, so this first platform I am so excited about. In this case, I did not save the best for last. I'm showing you my favorite as of now, and I'll go into why. But that is called OpusClip. You can search OpusClip on Google, and it'll bring it right to this page, or you can search opus.pro as a domain. But when you get in here, you'll see that it is taken from one long video, and it will make you 10 viral clips and create it 10x faster than you ever will, because this happens so quickly, guys. And this is what's crazy about AI. It's efficiency. Okay. So when you first get on here, they do now have an option where everybody can go test it. You don't have to sign in, and you can just put your link. Note that this does have to be on YouTube, either publicly or you can have it unlisted, but you cannot have it on private, or you can't just have it in your folder. It has to be on YouTube as of now to read. Again, I imagine in the future that this won't be the case. And even if you have a video that's private on your computer, you'll be able to share it. But as of right now, it only correlates with YouTube. So just be mindful of that. Once you get here, you can try out a clip if you do not want to sign up. But we're just going to go into like we were signing up. There's two different options that they have. They now just recently opened up that you can sign in with Google. Before it was Discord only. So I'm going to show you the Discord route just because that's what I've been using. But it was very interesting to see that already technology is upgrading where they have Google. So once we kind of fast forward into Discord itself, this is what we're looking at here. For those that haven't used Discord, it can be a little crazy and chaotic, but I'm going to show you exactly where we need to go. You're going to head in, and it's probably going to first take you, since I've been here before, to the announcements chat. And this just kind of tells you what to do, the newest things going on with this platform and all of that. However, if we're just going to jump right to the punch, we're going to want to go to where it says get your clips. And let's just go all the way down. It may take a minute because there was a lot of people on here. There we go. Okay, so once we're here and we're on the get your clips, there is a little bit of code that we want to do, but you're just going to hit the / and then you're going to type in clip. And this is basically prompting Discord to know that you are looking to create a reel. And with this YouTube link, so as you see, it says YouTube URL. And I already have a YouTube up here. For those that don't know, again, I have my fashion hauls channel, which I create weekly fashion hauls. So I am just going to copy this link at the top. Let me bring you up there. So all you're going to do is go to that YouTube, and you could do any YouTube. It doesn't have to be yours. It just has to be a public YouTube. So you can literally make reels out of anything. And I've seen people already make a ton out of Tony Robbins and just creating endless reels. I don't know where they're putting them. They could be monetizing off of it, which is really cool. So definitely really cool, all the different options that you can have here. But we're going to grab this YouTube link, and then we go back over to the YouTube or the Discord. And let's just go back down so you can see what I'm looking at right now. All right. So you can see at the bottom here that I just copied the YouTube link over right here. And then all I do is hit send. That's it. And right away, it tells us that they are working on it, and we got to love the sound effects there. So it's saying new project created. It's pulling the name of the title and telling us that your project is being handled, and it'll be handled right away. So this is just so you guys can see how to do it. However, I did go ahead and already do this prior just so we can speed up some processes. But what's really cool is once it comes in, you'll see it just like this guy right here in this video, and you'll hit see more clip results. So before they did not have this, before it was one clip and that was it. And it kind of was a bummer, but this is also too why I love this platform, because they do this within seconds. So I don't know how long this is going to take today, but you can go right over once it pings for you. It'll make a nice little sound, make you aware that your project's ready. And then you could go and look at all the different options. What I absolutely love about this is that they give you a title. So you don't even have to think of the titles for your shorts. And these are so clever, like so clever. So for example, uncovering the surprising top styles you won't believe exist, uncovering a dynamic bra that will change your wardrobe forever. This isn't a bra, so I might have said the word bra in the video though. That's where they're pulling it from. Uncovering the surprising summer fashion trends taking over Miami. So they probably heard in the film that I said I live in Miami, and it's just like super smart. So it's really cool. And if we take a look at these, this is what's even crazier.
Today we are in for a treat because I have a bunch of tops that I have to try on for you today that are just a lot of fun. We got a range of tops, so I don't even know how to explain it. That's why you've got to watch it. You're gonna have to watch this one all the way until the end to see this top with my hands dropped. But anyway, let's get into it. We have some fun to try on today. Alrighty, so here is top number one, and this one is very, very dynamic, guys. It's so different. You have to kind of play with it to figure it out, but I actually had to like lift this up around me once I got into the straps.
So you can see that they cut multiple parts of my fashion haul and made it into one. They created all the words behind it, which is really, really cool, the captions. And this was done for me like literally within 2 minutes because the platform wasn't that busy. And then we can look at different options.
So here is top number one, and this one is very, very dynamic, guys. It's so different. You have to kind of play with it to figure it out, but I actually had to like lift this up.
So as we can see, it's not totally perfect. And with my AI videos, when I try to put this in here, because my verbiage on my videos sometimes are very expansive, they're not able to put it into the ratios of a reel. So, because they're not changing your video, they're just taking kind of the center right now. So you could see right here, I myself in this video is a little off-centered. So it's not able to read that right now. So the technology isn't totally there. So it knows where to go. Again, this is still really, really cool.
Once I got into the straps. So imagine kind of having a bra with an extra part of the clothing kind of material hanging off, that once you put the bra on, you just have to flip over your neck. So it took a little bit of adjusting, but we got it there. But I like things that are different.
You can keep going through this through days where you can see all the different options, which is so fun. And then the names behind it. For some reason, sometimes, like in this case, they only made me 4, but sometimes they do go all the way up to 10. I don't know why that happens. Sometimes technology we can't explain, but still having these options are so awesome. I'm also reading like the score, and I'm not sure what that means. Let's see. Viral score, the likelihood of this video will go viral on TikTok. Wow. Okay. That's really cool. That I think is a new feature because I did not see that before. So it looks like they even list it by what they think is best, which is really, really cool. But yeah, and then they have all these options where you can post directly to or just download. So this is still so incredible, and it's allowed me to get into the short game without having to yell at my videographers to make one, as they're super busy already with everything else that I give them. So this has been really great to just get the ball rolling, and I'm excited to see as this technology advances. All right, so now that I showed you my favorites, still good to see what our other options are here because you might like this one better. This one is called TooShort.ai. This one I just heard about, so I just honestly tried it for the first time today, but they give you a try it out for free option. I'm honestly not sure because I haven't gone that far of how much they're charging, but the good thing is that I should know is the Discord one with OpusClips is absolutely free, so you can get unlimited and have as many videos as you want. I've been literally using it for about the last 3 weeks to a month since I discovered it. But right here, it says very similar, is ready to create a short in seconds. Give me our YouTube link. Again, all of these that are out there are only on YouTube. And I'm going to pull my last AI girl video that I just posted today. I don't know what I'm doing there. I'm like, I'm getting excited. I don't know, but that's where I paused. But we're just going to go with it. Back in the day, I used to actually love WWE. So I don't know, maybe I was having a WWE moment. I thought I was John Cena or Trish Stratus. I don't know where I was going. But all right, so right here, we're going to paste this video, and we don't even have to hit, I didn't even have to hit anything. I didn't even have to hit send. It just automatically went. But immediately it gives us a bunch of prompts. So it's kind of cool. Instead of like going through some that, you know, you may not even want to bother watching, it shows you the words of what point in the video it's getting. So kind of just breezing at this, like if I wanted to focus on the actual softwares in the videos and mention the softwares, this might be a good one that I want to start with because it even is kind of taking from the beginning of my video. What we could see from this first one is it's somewhat, you know, in the middle of the video because it's already talking about the platform of what happens after. So this is cool because you don't have to go all the way through it and you could see at what point it's going. And where they're at. So that's cool. So let's just say I liked this other one of, you know, the first one of, you know, going right into the softwares. So I'm going to try this one, and it even tells me 49 seconds long, which is pretty cool. If you ask me, it's always nice to know. Zoom in a little bit more for us. Let's go back here. All right. So I'm going to hit this button right here, and it says edit and export. So it's pretty cool that we have an edit option. So it looks here that we can choose with the edit options. Do we want portrait for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, square, landscape? So it's pretty cool. They give you the different options. It doesn't have to be a reel, which was something I didn't know. But I'm going to choose the YouTube Shorts option because that's what I need, honestly. What's cool about this one that Discord does not allow us to do is it allows us to choose the type of text. So let me just make this a little bit bigger for y'all, but you can choose white text with black outline, black text with the white outline, white text on black background, and black text on white background. So for me, I like white text with black outline. Let's just go for it and see where it happens. And then, oh, that's cool too. It also gives you subtitle size. So, maybe I am already liking this one better. I swear I didn't see this stuff this morning when I tried it. But here, let's just stick with medium. I think that will be fine. And then it even gives you the option of where you want to go. And I'm just going to see what it does for the bottom. I'm not really sure what this layer thing is. I'd have to dive into a bit more, but sounds cool. But let's hit that export button. All right, so let me head over here so you guys can see. So it is exporting. Probably takes the same amount as the Discord one, depending on, again, how busy it is. We're just going to hang out for a minute. So let's just wait a second and I'll go right in. Also, if you're watching this, you can see woke up sexy as hell again. If you agree, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, baby. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100%. I was about to say 1,000. All right, let's see. Where did that bad boy go? Okay, so let's zoom out. I found where it went. All right, so it is in your downloads. I'm just going to pull this up. Let's see. I don't know where it's going to go right now. It's going to change everything. Okay, so guys, if you haven't seen the video, this is me when I was a little baby, and I was showing you guys a photo software. So I don't really like how this is showing, like, instead of my face, it's just showing this right now, but this is what I chose. So let's take a look. Guys, look at what happened in a matter of seconds. We're going to just take a look. I want you guys to see this side of it over here. Like, it is blurry. It is old. This was definitely taken back in the 1990s, guys. And now this photo almost would look like we just took this, you know, off our iPhone, maybe like one of our, not the newest iPhone, but definitely, you know, one of the last few iPhones. This could have looked like that it was taken off of. Just the attention to detail. Look at all the blur removed. It is just so insane. Like, I can't believe it. Like, my mom's gonna be so excited that we could take these back to life. But yeah, it's just amazing to see what AI can do and how we can, you know, really enhance our childhood and bring it back to life and really, you know, be able to have these memories with us at a better quality. Yikes. So that was a hard stop. So that's what I don't like. I don't like the hard stop. However, I do think the quality was really good. And again, you guys probably noticed at some point that the big words came up, and that's just with both platforms. Unless you're completely centered, that's really where it's taking from. It can't read what's actually going on. And if your words are really big, they can't really squish your video anyway. So something just to be mindful of, that this might not work exactly the way that you want it to. I mean, it may take a while. I don't know if they'll ever really be able to squish your words. Possibly they will. You know what? I believe they will. It's the future. But this is still really cool. And again, you could go through other options that they give you. So let me just pull that back up. Let's see if we go back and we choose another one. It'll take a little bit, but we can keep going. Don't know at what point that they're going to be like, bitch, it's time to pay. But eventually I imagine that's going to come up. It's not showing anything right now about how much this costs. So let's see, sign in with Google. Yeah, I don't know at what point they'll start charging. So just have fun with it. And again, the Discord one, I can tell you for sure is 100% free. Make sure that you check that out. And yeah, so this is like just super cool because again, this is innovation. This is helping us do our jobs better. This is helping people like myself and my team be able to leverage these tools to be able to focus on more things. Time where they can make these longer videos more creative and add some more spunk and some funk into it, you know? So where we don't have to pound them to do reels anymore. So anyway, this one's really exciting for content creators. I was really excited to share this because I was just the happiest girl in the world when I saw this thing existed. And I hope that you can use it, abuse it like I do. Again, if you like what you saw today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to hear weekly videos from your AI girl. And yeah, I'm just excited to keep learning and growing this channel and exploring with you. So until next time.